What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I love Bank of America stock. Actually, by the end of the year, one of my goals, hopefully I get there, is get to 100 shares of Bank of America. I really like the price of it. It's a cheap dividend stock, cheap stock actually. Not doing too well against the S&P. The revenue trends have been fantastic. The dividend growth has been fantastic. And this is why I have it in my dividend portfolio. I'll even show you how many shares I have right now. And another financial sector stock that and bank stock that I'm almost at 100 shares, and that's another one that I want to get to 100 shares of. So I'll show you at the end of this video. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out Bank of America right now. The first, Bank of America is sitting at $33.53. Dividend yield is 2.86%, a PE ratio of 10.90, average volume 41.38 million US dollars. The market cap is 263.97 billion US dollars. Year range is 24.96 to 35.10. Day range is 33.55 to 34.22. Previous close is 33.22. So at one point before the pandemic really hit, it was beating the S&P 500 at one point. And it was at the price of 35.35. Took a huge nosedive. Pandemic starts. It was 1967. Excuse me, it was 1967. And if you got that at 1967, wow. Then it started jumping up like crazy. In 2021, it was 47.91, and now it's going down. And it's right now it's 33.55, 33.56. So I've been capitalizing buying Bank of America stock. And I'll show you how many shares I have before I jump to the revenue trends and dividend history, because I want to get to 100 shares. I plan on being long in Regions Financial, and I'm going to show you, oops, I just revealed to you Regions Financial, but Bank of America. So I'm going to show you both of them of how many shares I am, and then I'll do the revenue trends and dividend history with Bank of America. I actually spilled the beans. I didn't even realize that, but I just said, you know what, let's just keep on going. Regions Financial Corp, I'm at 87.87 shares. Right now, it looks like it is 18.23, so that's very attractive. If I get to 400 shares, imagine what I can do, and it has a dividend yield of 4.81%. Right now, a PE ratio of 8.6, a market cap of 17.0 billion. So maybe a time for me to really load up on them. Very attractive for me. The cheap dividend stock as well that I've been loading up on. So I'm going to show you how many shares I have of Bank of America. Right here I have 53.54 shares. And you can tell I kind of loaded up in October of 2023. That's when I started throwing 500 a week into my dividend portfolio and really loaded up on them, gave them a lot of attention. And it's time to give them a little bit more attention. So this is why I'm very attracted to them, why I probably should get to 100 plus shares. So I'm going to try to get that. I'm going to try to get to 100 plus shares by the end of the year. And I have to show you these revenue trends and dividend history. It's just too attractive to say no to. So here's the revenue trends on macro trends. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2016, 93,662. 2017, 99,466. 2018, 109,627. 2019, 113,589. 2020, look at that pandemic revenue drop. 93,753. 2021, 93,851. 2022, 115,053. 2023, 171,912. So this is why I'm excited buying them. I always talk about and discuss revenue trends. If the revenue trends are attractive, and going up, usually, unless they're in like a ton of debt and stuff, the board of directors will announce dividend hikes. Now, don't quote me on that, but you see the trends. Revenue looks good, dividend growth usually looks good. You can see it with Realty Income. You can see it with um, Costco, Nvidia. The revenue trends have gone up. The board of directors usually feel confident in hiking the dividend. So that's a trend usually that happens. There's a correlation right there. So let's jump to the dividend history. So check out this dividend growth. Okay, I'm going to start in 2014. It was 5 cents. Okay, stagnant 15, 16. And then 2016, 8 cents. 2017, 12 cents. 2018, 15 cents. 2019, 18 cents. 2021, 21 cents. 2022, 22 cents. And then 2023, 2024, 24 cents. So their payout ratio is 28%. Number of dividend increases the last 5 years is 4. Dividend growth in 5 years is 9.12%. So if you bought one share, you made 96 cents with a 2.83% dividend yield. So that's pretty attractive. This is why I'm going after cheap dividend stocks like this. I can't say no to this. I really like Bank of America. I plan on being long in Bank of America and Regions Financial Corp. Just the price, the dividend growth, the revenue trends, it's just really attractive for me. So that's what I need to do is get to, my long-term goal is at least 400 shares in there, and then I can really do some damage. So you're seeing my dividend portfolio go almost to 100,000. And I apologize, I had to do a second video like at the end because First Energy called me and they pretty much double charged me. In theory, I do think they double charged me, so they're gonna do a meter read. And if you watch my previous videos, I may have to do a remix on First Energy because they're in some trouble right now. So I think I'll do a remix on them and why. Um, I think they did hike their dividend. They are a very interesting utility company. So it's actually pretty attractive as a dividend stock. So I'm gonna maybe go over that one as well. So maybe in a month or so. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. And let me know what you think of Bank of America stock. I think it's a very attractive dividend stock and a really good dividend growth stock. 5 years dividend growth of 9.12%. So let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. Take care. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and it is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor or somebody certified to give financial advice. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of tax purposes as well. It is best to seek advice from a tax advisor. I plan on being long in Regions Financial Corp and Bank of America. And there's always a risk when it comes to dividend investing. You can gain money, you can lose money. So just be aware of your investment strategies and do your due diligence. And you don't have to buy a stock because I buy it as well. So take care and have a great Monday, and I will see you tomorrow.